Hey guys, it's been 2 months or few months since I've been struggling in here, my chest, because something hit me in here really hard, and now I couldn't do a regular cardio. A- I couldn't do a regular cardio because I couldn't feel the actual exercise here in my chest. I couldn't feel the exertion or anything, the adrenaline. I couldn't feel it. Even in sleep, the what they call it, the hormones in sleep, something like melatonin. I I couldn't feel it sleepy. I couldn't feel myself sleepy. Even laziness, tiredness, like exhaustion. I couldn't even feel it really much. I I struggled to feel it. These four things: the exhaustion, the tiredness, exhaustion, laziness, and sleepiness. I've been struggling by that. I've been struggling to feel it, instinctively. Like as I've been struggling to feel them since I was punched in here or hit. Sorry, not punch, because I usually said punch all the time, but since I was hit in here with something, but it's worse because maybe it's destroying my dream on something. I couldn't explain it very much, but it's been a few months and I've been struggling in here. I couldn't do it. I couldn't feel my other physical sensation and the things that I usually feel like old times, but I couldn't feel it very much. And I've been struggling to do a cardio, and I've been struggling to feel it too, to feel everything on me. I don't know why. It's just it. It's just like the impact changed everything on me in here, in the heart, and in the system. And don't let it pass on others.